Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can significantly enhance your virtual reality experience, the face cushion pad replacement cover for the Meta Quest 2. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The face cushion pad for the Meta Quest 2 is designed to be a direct replacement for the original facial interface that comes with your Oculus Quest 2 headset. This replacement cover is made from high-quality PU leather and foam, which aims to provide not only a more comfortable fit but also a more immersive experience while you're deep in the world of VR. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, the PU leather foam replacement is designed to improve comfort and fit. If you've ever worn your headset for an extended period, you know how important comfort can be. This cushion conforms to your face while also being soft and sweat-proof, making those longer gaming or exploration sessions much more enjoyable. Another major highlight is the enhanced air circulation that this cover provides. Thanks to its unique L-shaped vent design, ventilation and exhaust holes are strategically placed to allow any moisture or heat to escape without compromising the immersive experience. This means you can wear your headset for hours without feeling overly warm or uncomfortable. Light leakage can be a real issue when using VR headsets, especially around the nose area. The improved nosepieces on this cushion pad tackle that problem head-on. By minimizing light leakage, you're able to fully immerse yourself in your virtual environments, whether you're gaming, exploring, or attending a VR meeting. Installation is a breeze with this face pad. It comes with Velcro, making it simple to attach and secure to your headset. So, whether you're switching out covers or cleaning it, you won't have to worry about a complicated installation process. Speaking of cleaning, maintaining the cushion pad is easy. A simple wipe down with a microfiber cloth is all you need to keep it in pristine condition. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a frequent user of the Oculus Quest 2, whether for gaming, social VR, or even fitness applications, this face cushion pad is a must-have accessory. It's perfect for anyone who values comfort during extended use, and it's also great for those who might find the original face cover too harsh or uncomfortable. In terms of practical use cases, think about those long gaming sessions where you can lose track of time, or the hours spent in virtual meetings. This cushion pad can make a significant difference in your overall experience. You'll be able to focus on your game, your workout, or your meeting without being distracted by discomfort or overheating. In summary, the face cushion pad replacement cover for the Meta Quest 2 is a fantastic accessory that enhances comfort, reduces light leakage, and improves ventilation, all while being easy to install and maintain. If you're serious about your VR experience, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.